Hey guys, this is Kevin from Huidu Technology in Shenzhen, China. Recently we have some new controllers with some new functions. Today let me give you details introduction to you on live. Now we are giving live on YouTube and Facebook. We are in Shenzhen, China. As a leader of asynchronous LED and LCD display controller, our products have many patents and software copyrights. Our products are sold to more than 92 countries and regions all over the world. Let's watch our development path. Our Huidu company was established in Shenzhen 2009. And each year we have some important events. And our Huidu product series in hardware actually have a single color, dual color, a synchronous full color, synchronous video processor, and LCD digital signage motherboard. And in software, we have three parts. First one is our web-based application. It is for cloud, every cloud platform. And our mobile app, we have LED art, LED light for single color, and Magic Designer for LCD display only. And on PC software, we also have 4 softwares: HD 2020, HD Player, HD Sets, and HD Show. HD Show is used for synchronous. Okay, today I will mainly tell you 6 parts regarding our new controllers with new functions. The first one is our dual mode LED display player box HD A6, A5, A4. This series box, sending box, is 4-in-1. It is both synchronous and asynchronous. Also supports U-Disc, and also have function of VP, supports video scale. And these products have 8GB storage space, 8GB memory with Wi-Fi function. It supports Wi-Fi defaultly, okay? And also support HDMI input directly. No need video processor. Play the full screen automatically. And meanwhile, it also supports the internet remote cloud control solution for remote control in our cloud. Let's watch all the features one by one. This time I talk about this product actually in the previous we already have these products. Just now recently we have some new features of these products. The first one is HDMI A6, A5, A4. They support HDMI, play HDMI directly. Don't need video processor. No need. So you can play HDMI input source directly. You just connect with a computer, then it will play directly. The feature 2, A6, A5, A4. You can play both synchronous mode and asynchronous mode at the same time. They can play live video from HDMI input, and meanwhile, also can play offline advertising contents from the built-in storage. That's to say, if one LED screen in a bar, they can play football live broadcast. At the same time, they also can play stored advertising contents such as the new drinks in the bar. Is advertising, this offline program. Clients will like it very much. It will be very good for you to catch the business and the project. These new features can apply. These new features can apply in old A6, A5, A4, and also new A6, A5, A4. Just if you use old A6, A5, A4, you just update its firmware to the newest. Just update firmware, then it will be supported. And another new features, A6, A5, A4, they are equipped with Wi-Fi. You can easily control your LED screen on mobile. Don't need to carry a PC. Don't carry a laptop. Just one mobile phone is enough. It's very convenient for you. See, you just put the program sent by your mobile LED art, then it will show an LED screen. Very easy to send program. And feature 4, A6, A5, A4 also supports web-based internet cloud platform for remote management. You just connect them to the internet. Then you can manage them. Then you can manage every screen on PC or your mobile app remotely. Let's see a diagram. For example, see, that's to say if you are at office, you also can change the contents of the screen anywhere and anytime. Very simple and convenient. It can help you save a lot of time and labor cost. Okay, you think so? This is very convenient. It's use cloud, remotely control this screen. And feature 5. There is another and practical features. It is a USB port. A6, A5, A4, they all have USB ports, and our other controller also have USB port. But this USB port, the features you can play directly. You can play UDisc directly. That means you just put the video file into the UDisc or export program into the UDisc. Then insert the USB port of A6, A5, A4. Then LED screen, he will play the video automatically. Plug and play. It is very easy for any user. Let's watch again, okay? See, put in video into UDisc and insert to port and play. That's easy. Okay, let's check their main specification. A6, A5, A4. The most difference is their loading capacity and the widest and the highest, and also gigabit SNL output quantity. A4, A6, A4, A5 have 2 SNL outputs. A6 have 4 GB SNL outputs, and A6 have HDMI out. A4, A5 doesn't have HDMI out. Let's check today. Here now at hand, I have also some goods. Okay, let's check the real products. Okay, let's see. This is our A6. This is Wi-Fi, LAN input, USB, HDMI in, and HDMI out, and Ethernet output have 4 ports, 4. And the sensors also supported, have sensor port. GPS is optional. Wi-Fi standard equipped. This is A6. Okay, also let's check A4 and A5. A4 and A5, the case is same. See, this is A4. This one is A4. They have 2 GB Ethernet outputs and HDMI in. They don't have HDMI out. Wi-Fi equipped, and also support sensor. It's A4. Our A6, A5, A4, they are widely used in wide-sense LED display screen and shopping mall activity display screen, and also outdoor square LED display screens. They are widely used. See, this series is the best to help you to catch the project and the business. Best choice. Okay, next, let's continue next products. These products is our Huidu C16C, C16, C36, C36C. These four models are upgraded version of C15 and C35. The new controllers have 3 extra features different from the old C15 and C35. New 16 and the new C36 come with Wi-Fi. And it supports mobile app management. No need to connect LAN cable. It's cost saving. Don't need to carry your laptop. One mobile phone can control. Very easy. And these new products have integrated one relay switch. Support remote control power supply remotely. And also, they support ultra long loading capacity, up to 8,192 pixels. Let's explain their features one by one. Okay, one by one. And now I also have C16C, C36C at hand. Let me explain their features one by one. The feature one, let's see, this C16C and the C36C. They look same, but the most of the difference is their control range, loading capacity. C16C, it was equipped with Wi-Fi function directly, so it supports mobile app management. The old controller, the old controllers, C16 and C36 and C35, the Wi-Fi is optional, but the new card Wi-Fi is equipped directly. No need to add extra Wi-Fi module. And this socket is not used for Wi-Fi. It is to add for 4G module. So I mean, meanwhile, it also supports 4G module. Just the 4G module is optional. Okay, and next features. The feature 2. As you see, the products, the yellow components. It is a relay. Switch. And below it, there is a white socket. This white socket is used to connect with power supply of the relay. This new controller integrated one relay switch. So this function, how to use this function? What's the advantage? So let me explain. Relay switch. It is used to cut off and on power supply of LED display remotely. So it can save energy. Easily when you want to switch off your LED screen. Don't need go to the scenes of the installation place. You just remotely control by our relay switch. And the C16C at hand, you can see this yellow component. This is a relay switch, and this relay switch. And this port is connect with power supply. Okay. And next features. Let's look at this video. Yeah, this video, it is 40 meters long, P5 LED screen. Working with our C36C with the receiving cards. The lens pixels is about 8,192 pixels. It supports ultra long loading capacity. So if you have LED project with ultra long LED display, then you can choose C16C or C36C. They support ultra long display. C16C and the C36C, they are widely used in LED poster, showcase billboard, and community billboards. And now for some long banners, ultra long banner screen, C16C, C36C, also the best choice. Let's watch this video. Yeah, this is one typical typical of LED port screen. It is equipped with Huidu C16C controller. It is awesome and wonderful, like this project. C16C and is the best choice. Okay, let's continue next new controllers. D16 and D36. D16 and D36, they are upgraded of D15 and D35. Now I also have at hand the new D16 and D36 come with Wi-Fi directly, so no need extra Wi-Fi module. It supports Wi-Fi directly, so can help you save the cost. And moreover, they also support video. They also support video, text, photo, and more smoothly, and more stable. And meanwhile, they also support internet cloud platform management. Just the 4G. The 4G. This place is used to install 4G module. The 4G is optional. Yes, let's check. Let's have a look. The real products. Have a check. D16. Yeah. This one is Wi-Fi. Come with Wi-Fi directly. No need to add a module. This one is for 4G network. Just this one is this socket is used to install 4G module. It's optional. 4G is optional. Wi-Fi is directly. And four line, full color. Yeah, okay. Let's explain one by one. Let's check the main specification of D16 and D36. The most difference is also their loading capacity. As via this chart, you can see the old D15 and D35. The Wi-Fi for them is optional, but the new card D16 and D36 Wi-Fi is equipped directly, and the other functions are the same. Okay, so which place will use this new controller? See, they are widely used, such as LED round signboard, LED bus tail signboard, and LED taxi top signboard, and also LED banner signboard. Because it supports Wi-Fi and also support video and picture and stable, so it is widely used in this area. So best choice if you have like this project. Okay, and now the first new products are our synchronous sending box T901D and T902X1 and T902X2. The difference is T901B has 2 gigabit Ethernet output, and the loading capacity is 1.3 million pixels. T902X1, it has 4 gigabit Ethernet output, 4 gigabit Ethernet output, and its loading capacity is 2.6 million pixels. And T902X2, it has 8 gigabit Ethernet output, 8, and its loading capacity is 5.2 million pixels. These 3 models are synchronous sending box, for synchronous use. And as you see in the picture, they all have see power supply. They all have power supply. So it means they will support connect to AC 110 to 240 voltage power supply directly. Let's check their main specifications. The most difference of them are loading capacity, and gigabit Ethernet output, and also video signal input. T901B has 1 dBi. T902X1 also have 1 dBi, and T902X2 has 2 dBi. They all work with receiving cards, and also need work with video processor, because they are synchronous control solution, control system. And where does they apply? You can see as synchronous controller, they are widely used in many occasions, such as airport flight information screen, hotel banquet hall live event screen, video conference room screen, monitoring hall screen, stage performance big screen, and bar screen. I said this all application, they need play live. They need play live stream. That's why they need to use synchronous sending box. And of course, we also have receiving cards. Some old friends already knew our receiving cards, such as R512, R508, R516. Today I want to talk is our new models. As you see, R512T or S. Actually, their function is same as the old models. We just updated. We just make some optimization. Just make it more stable and support it more IC. And R512T or S, they have 12 half-75E ports. And the new R508, now called R508T. This one have 8 ports, half-75E ports. And R516, now called also have 1 T, added T. It has 16 half-75E ports. And you see these 3 models, they all have added T, and S. We just make it different from the old models. But don't worry, their functions and usage are same as before. You can let them work with old models, mix work together, no problem. And this one, R500, this product is not used so widely because this one has 2 15-pin. This is universal hub. Just use for some special hub, then you can use R500. But for most application, for the most application, LED screen they all have half-75E ports. So these 3 receiving cards is enough. But this one just for special hub use. And we also have two dedicated receiving cards, R320 and R5S. These 2 receiving cards is used for transparent screen and fine pitch LED screen, fine pitch. R320, this receiving card has 8 half-320 ports. And R5S, it has 2 120 pins. And here, now I have some samples. Let's check. See this one is R320. The photo is old, but the new one will have also 320T. 8 port, half 320. They have cover. See, have cover. 2 LAN port. And this one is R5S. See, R5S, very small. R5S is mini size receiving cards. See, they have two 120 pins. 120 pins. This mini receiving card is used for small cabinets, fine pitch small cabinet, because the installation place is very narrow. So this mini receiving card is easy to install. You just install on the board directly. No need cable. Yeah. And we just now I forgot to show you. RFF12 and RFF08T and RFF16T. Let's check the real products. Okay. See, this one is RFF12S. Have 12 port, have 75E. And this one is RFF08T. It has 8 port, 8 group, half 75 port, half 75E port, 8 group. This LAN port is for power supply. Yeah, power supply. This one is RFF16T. Have 16 group, half 75E port, LAN port. Yeah, cover. Now all receiving cards have the cover. The cover is used to protect the cards, the board. Okay. Let's check their main specifications. Actually, the most difference is also their loading capacity. And output ports. Just now I've shown you the output ports, the quantity, output port quantity. These all receiving cards supported high refresh rate IC, and the most IC module in the market. So don't worry, they also can support it. Okay, the seventh products is our 3-in-1 synchronous video processor. Actually, before we also have like these two products, VP210, VP410. In previous, we already have these two products. Today I talk with these products just because recently we add some new functions for them. New functions. The new features is new VP210 and new VP410. They all equipped with Wi-Fi directly. So they all support mobile app, Wi-Fi wireless management. And these two also have USB. They support play UDisc directly. And we call it 3-in-1 because they don't need extra standing cards, because it already have integrated standing card function. So you just connect with the receiving cards, connect them with receiving card directly. So here I also have products at hand. Let me show you the real products. Let me show you. See, this one is VP210. Front, you can look the front panel is same as before. Just the new controller. See, it have Wi-Fi. The new VP210 has Wi-Fi, has equipped it with Wi-Fi directly. Wi-Fi. This one is Wi-Fi. Connect with the Wi-Fi antenna. And USB, HDMI, CVBS, DVI, VGA, and audio in, audio out. See, these are real products. See, it's too heavy. Okay. See, and this one is VP410. The difference from VP210, VP410 have 4 output LAN ports, output SNN output, and also a new one have Wi-Fi directly. Wi-Fi, this is Wi-Fi. See. Okay. Let's next products. The VP620 and VP820. These two products is 2-in-1. We call 2-in-1 because they also integrated sending cards. No need sending card extraly. And these two VP processor also equipped with Wi-Fi. They also support app. They also support mobile app wireless control. And the difference is VP620 they have 6 Ethernet outputs, and the VP820 they have 8 Ethernet outputs. And the loading capacity VP820 is bigger. And these two all support 4K input, support 4K input, and also support dual windows. Dual windows means you can play PIP or POP. Okay, VP1220 and VP1620. These two products also equipped with Wi-Fi. They also support Wi-Fi management wirelessly. So you also can control them on mobile app. And these two also support 4K input source. And they are also dual windows, support PIP or POP. These two also integrated sending card function. You just connect with receiving card directly. The difference between these two models, VP1620, the loading capacity is 10.4 megapixels. It's bigger than 7.8 megapixels of VP1220. The height and the height and the width they are same. Yeah. Okay, let's see next products. VP1240 and VP1640. These two products also supported Wi-Fi. You also can control them on mobile app LED art wireless. These two models, the difference from the previous video processor. These two have supported 4 windows. 4 windows. It means you can support. It means these two video processor can play 4 input source from 4 laptop. They can play 4 laptop desktop at the same time. 4 windows. And also support 4K input source. Okay. Just now I talked our VP series processor controller. What I repeated the most is Wi-Fi. Yes. Now our all VP series new processor, they all come with Wi-Fi. Support mobile control. You can use your mobile. You can use your mobile phone to switch video source. One click, screen on and off, and also can make regional settings. The mobile app is our LED ART. This mobile app is also used for our asynchronous controller. So it's also used in our VP series controller. Let's watch our demo. How to use Wi-Fi how to use mobile app to control our VP series controller. Let's watch our demo video, okay? Say input, switch input by mobile. One click, screen on, off. Yeah, fade in, fade on. Layout anywhere. Yes, it's wonderful. Okay, just now we have watched the video. So you can use our LED art mobile app wireless control software to control our VP series controller. You can do switch video input source wireless. You also can do screen off and on, and image frozen, pause and play, and do windows fade in and fade out. Arbitrary flexible layout. You all can do this on mobile app layout. Okay, this is main specifications of Huidu VP series controller processor. The most difference is also their loading capacity, and the width and height, and also LAN port, Ethernet output port, and the Windows layers is different, and the input ports also different than other functions like Wi-Fi they all have. And UDISC means USB port. Only VP210 and VP410 support it, and other models don't support USB. And dimming they also support it. Okay. All Huidu products, including new products, they all have CE, FCC, RoHS, and CCC certificates. So don't worry, they all have got certified. Okay, today all new controllers with new functions was all shown to you. That's all. That's all. Thank you for your watching. And now let's make a conclusion. Today we have introduced six parts. The first one. Let's check one by one. Okay. The first one is our A6, A5, and A4. The new features is HDMI in. You can play asynchronous and asynchronous at the same time. And you can play YouTube video, and at the same time you can play advertising contents. And the second is our C16C new products. The new products come with Wi-Fi directly and have one relay switch and support cut on and off power supply directly, remotely. And they all support ultra-long loading capacity up to 8,192 pixels. Yeah, Wi-Fi directly equipped with relay switch and ultra-long loading capacity. And D16 and D36, these new products come with Wi-Fi directly. Then we introduced synchronous Cinebox 3 modems, G901B, G901, G902X1, G902X2, 3 modems synchronous Cinebox. And also our receiving cards, 4 modems universal modem and 2 modems dedicated receiving cards for transparent screen and fine pitch screen. Then we introduced our VP series processor controller. We have VP210, VP410, VP620, VP820, VP1220, VP1620, and VP1240, VP1640. They all come with Wi-Fi, support mobile app. Yeah, now all products have CE, FCC rules and CCC certified. Okay, my friends, my old friends, my brothers. If you have any questions and inquiry, welcome contact us. This is my WeChat and WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you for watching today live. My name is Kevin from Huidu Technology. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.